everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming up with a science project. The name of my science project is Make Amplifier Out of Cups. Materials required: 2 paper cups, colorful tapes, duct tape, cardboard tube, lead pencil and paper cutter mobile. Steps to make the amplifier are: trace around the end of your cardboard tube with a lead pencil onto your paper cups. Cut the exact size. Cover the cardboard tube with duct tape. Cut a square slit the approximate width of your phone onto your cardboard tube and poke the other ends into the cup. Let me explain you what is sound. Sound is an energy things produced when they vibrate. It comes out of something. Like an instrument, amplification means increase the strength or volume of the sound. Now we are going to amplify this sound with a simple experiment. Choose some music and listen to them carefully inside and outside the amplifier.
Bird goes tweet and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, frog goes crow, and the...
When the phone is inside the amplifier, the sound is louder because the sound is directly down and out from there.
Elephant goes toot, ducks they quack, and fish go blue, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's no sound, but no one knows. What does the fox say? Ding, 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 ding.
When the phone is outside the amplifier, the sound is softer because the sound spreads in all directions. This is all about my science project. Thank you. And please subscribe to my channel.